Make your camping safe and fun with these smart ideas. Whether you pitch a tent or roll up in a motor home, choosing to spend your vacation time camping can be a blast. Make sure you plan and prepare for all of the little hazards that living with nature can present, by watching the following tips and adhering to their advice. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. While it may be that there's enough wood around to keep a fire going for a long time, some of the wood may be wet and cannot burn no matter what you try. It's always recommended that you bring extra wood and keep it where it won't get wet. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in, or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. No matter how you do it, camping is a thoroughly enjoyable way to spend your vacation. It can offer great relaxation, inspiration, and even teach us a lot about our environment. Keep the tips from this video in mind as you set out on your camping adventure, and remember to have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.